All too often, we take for granted the goodness that is in front of our eyes on a moment-to-moment basis. According to Jewish tradition, each morning we say the blessing of Pekeach Ivrim, thanking God for opening the eyes of the blind. Perhaps we are simply blind to the blessings in our lives. Some of us seem to live with our eyes shaded to the amazing gifts we are presented with, starting with the very air we breathe, to the fact that we wake up in the morning with a day chock full of potential. It's one thing to live wondering about things, but it's so much more meaningful to live in wonder of all the amazing blessings that we have. Once we recognize how precious life is, how every gift is so amazing, how can we not say no, seriously? Thank you! Now there are many ways of saying thanks, but how can we express true gratitude? How should a Jewish person live a life filled with appreciation and greatness? Simple. Give the gift of yourself. You can exist and just take up space and happen to be here, or you can live, you can be happy, you can be yourself, be the best of yourself. Say thank you the right way. Make a difference in your world, and your thank you will mean so much more.